If your goal is to work your core, then your trainer would likely suggest you do planks. This classic move is super simple yet delivers incredible results. In addition, unlike other core exercises that require flexing, bending, or twisting, the plank is safe for most people that suffer from low back pains. Ever heard of the high plank? What about plank shoulder taps? These are just two of the many plank variations we have. Get to know more about them in this video. The plank workout you need to start today. Welcome back, viewers! On top of working your core, a plank is best for working your glutes and hamstrings, improving balance and supporting proper posture. But one of the greatest things about the plank is that it comes in numerous variations to avoid getting bored with the same move. To help you improve your plank game, we have put together a quick plank workout you can do anytime. This workout consists of 4 plank variations, including plank hip dips. Continue watching to know how to perform each move. Before we continue, a like would be great. Number 1. High plank. Start on your hands and knees on the floor and keep them shoulder-width apart. Lift your knees off the floor and push your feet back, fully extending your body. Your feet must be shoulder-width apart and your wrists under your shoulders. Don't arch your back. Keep your core, butt, and quads tight. Just imagine that you're extending from the crown of your head and out through your heels simultaneously. Also, gaze at the floor to keep your neck in a neutral position. Hold this for 40 seconds. Number 2. Plank hip dips. From the high plank, get into a forearm plank. To do this, simply lower your forearms down to the ground. Your elbows should be stacked underneath your shoulders. Make sure your core and butt are tight and your hips are lifted. Next, rotate your hips to the left side and tap the floor. Repeat on the right side. That's 1 complete rep. Continue alternating sides for 20 reps. Number 3. Plank shoulder taps. To do plank shoulder taps, begin in a high plank with your feet hip distance apart. Second, tap your right hand to your left shoulder as you engage your core and glutes. This should keep your hips as still as possible. Then, do the same with your left hand to your right shoulder. That's 1 complete rep. Lastly, alternate sides for 20 reps. Number 4. Plank up-downs. Again, start in a high plank and keep your feet hip distance apart. Next, lower your left arm down so that your forearm is on the ground. Then, do the same with your right. This should bring you to a forearm plank position. From there, place your left hand back on the floor to extend your arm, and follow with your right arm so that you're back to a high plank. As you move, keep your hips as still as possible so that they're not swaying from side to side. Complete 20 reps of this. What do you say? Do you think you can do this plank workout? Tell us how it goes for you. Just drop your comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.